Hello everybody, Peter here today with the unboxing of a new house appliance. This is an induction and gas stove by Electrolux. First of all, before we begin, outside it is raining, so forgive me if you hear any thunders. If you like the sound of the rain, then this should be a great background. So let's begin. This stove is made by Electrolux. I'm gonna show you the model number. Alright. You can read it here. So this is the Electrolux EGD6576NOK, I think it's pronounced. I really hate the way they name these products. It could have been easier to just name it induction gas or some real name, not just a number. But this is it. Let's open the box and see what's inside. So I'm gonna take a cutter. Be sure not to cut the cable or anything unwanted. And just go around. Sorry for the plastic noises. So I've removed that polyester, and in here we're encountered with the gas support, so your cooking pots are gonna stay on this, on the gas stove. Two of them. Two places are run with gas and the other two are induction. I'm gonna put them aside. Here is the manual, some sealing tape from what I can see, and this looks like something for gas if you want to like reduce the input. Maybe it is running on a different size. We'll see. Also here, the power cable for the induction side of the stove. Really cool that they've put this metal, I don't know how they're called. So this metal on the wire, because I think this is made out of really small wires, lots of them. And if you're not a good electrician, you're gonna miss a wire or two. And then it's like having a smaller cable. And that is not wanted because you might produce plugs, it might burn the cable. So the fact that they've put these metal covers on the wires will make it so that you cannot miss a wire. The rain started to be really louder, so I'm really curious if you can hear it. But that aside, let's go to some serious business. Alright, so I cannot remove this without removing the sides, so just give me a second. Yeah, also I'm really sorry because this is not done properly on a table, but it is a really big appliance. Even though it should fit in a table while it is packaged, it's kinda impossible. So I had to do it on the floor. Alrighty, come up. One is up. I need to be really careful because this is glass, so it could break. Really sturdy. It's good that Electrolux has put in really good quality packaging. So even though it's hard to take apart now, I really think that this has been protected quite well during shipping. Nah. Really hard to do it by yourself, so if you're doing this, get yourself a buddy or somebody that could help with a hand, because this will make it way easier. But I'm not gonna fast forward since you really need to see how hard it is to take it apart, because this is the point of an unboxing. Great. So, this is the stove. As you can see, I'll turn it around because this is the correct way. You should see it. So in here, the two gas stoves. I'm gonna put the supports so you can see how it looks with the supports. Something around this line. Yep, so this is the look of the gas side. That is the induction side. So why did I choose this one? Well, it's because it's the only one in the market, at least in my country, that has both gas and induction. And let's say, why do you want this combination? Why not go full induction? I know some countries really use electricity a lot, like France, for example, but in here gas is still a thing. And gas is way cheaper, way cheaper. I know it's more polluting, this is why I wanted induction and gas, because in the future if electricity gets cheaper in my country, maybe I'll switch more and more to induction. But for longer cooking session, I'm gonna use the gas part. Also, induction is heating up really fast, so if you want to do something really quick, induction is the way. But on the other side, not all pans work with induction, so you might need the gas. And as I told you, it's also cheaper. In here, two buttons. They're covered in some plastic protector. Not gonna remove it now because I have to put everything back until my kitchen, I don't know how it's called, like my kitchen furniture comes. Here it's saying that it's induction. Don't know why, I think if you own it you'll know it, but maybe it's for, I don't know, somebody that comes to your house to know which pan they should take in order to work. And in here is the controls for the induction side. So you just choose the one up here with this button and the one up here with this button. You can stop it, you can use, I think this is a child lock, power it on and off, and just increase or decrease the temperature. In here the same thing with the gas. I think on this side it should make sparks because it has the spark sign. And then on the other side you just decrease the gas. So it goes up with full gas capacity and then it decreases. Alright, so let's go on the back and we're gonna finish this unboxing. Oh, that was unexpected. Good thing it didn't scratch. Really good thing. So the glass is pretty tough. But that was really unexpected, and I think it's mostly my part. Should have done that. So when you do it, be really careful. And in here this is vent to cool down the induction side. The intake for electricity and the gas intake. So yeah, this is smaller than usual, so this is why it came with an adapter. And they should all just go in your kitchen furniture. Nothing really special. Be really careful when you cut the kitchen furniture because it doesn't have too big of a margin, as you can see. So if you cut too much, it's not going to cover it. And that's about it. Thanks for tuning into this review. It will take some time for the review, for this unboxing. It will take some time to do the unboxing because I need to use it properly in order to have a well-informed opinion on this one. But when this is going to happen, I'm going to post a review, so stay in touch. Have a great day, guys. See you.